guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a look at the Air Jordan 1 Mid in the white shadow colorway. Before we get into the review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Show some love. We want to see those thumbs up on the like, so smack that like button. And show some love in the comment section too. We try our best to reply to every single question, comment that you throw at us. Let's get into it. Now, we just want to give a big shout out to Angelica, who was kind enough to let us review her pair. And she was able to get these from Kit Game UK, both Angelica's and Kit Game's Insta, where you can find them, whatever. They'll be down in the description below. And let's have a look. And we've got this Air Jordan 1 Mid GS in the black, white, light smoke grey colorway in a 5 Youth. It's a UK 4.5 and it's a European 37.5. So obviously it's not going to be me that's going to try these on. So you're going to see Angelica sport these sneakers. But before we get into that, this being a mid and a youth sneaker, you've got this in a black and gold Jumpman box. Really nice, you know, it's a nice touch. Let's get into it. And here we go. No, I'm not even mad at this, you know. Reminds me of the 2013 Air Jordan 1s that came out. They were more of a mid cut than a high cut. But personally, you know, I love the Jordan high cuts. We've done reviews, we've done the 2016 Breads, the Royals 2017 and the Shadows, which I'll talk a lot more as we go through this one. So we'll start with the outsole. So you got a black rubber Air Jordan 1 outsole, best for traction, skaters use them, and the greatest of all time used it when he played basketball. Going along into the midsole, it's an all rubber midsole too, but you've got an air unit that's encapsulated inside, and we work our way onto the upper, and this is where we go into the similarities between the OG Shadow and this new innovation, this new mid version of it. And where you got the similarities of the Shadow is that swoosh, the black paneling here on the middle and around the toe box. But then we move into this white toe box with the perforations, and around the heel where it's a white overlays with the white and black Wings logo that can be found around the collar. Obviously, this being a mid cut, it's a shorter cut than a typical Air Jordan 1, and you've got the Jumpman logo instead of a Nike Air logo at the tongue. The tongue is nice and padded. It's the same as all the other Jordan 1s. It's nylon, spongy, you're gonna get that. And you've got the typical lacing system. That rounds it off. If you're able to get a pair, obviously these sold out, but as I mentioned, Kit Game was able to provide Angelica with her pair. So unfortunately it was at consignment price, but you know, that's what you have to do nowadays if you've missed from the initial drop. This is a great pair if it's your first pair of Air Jordans and you're not willing to pay the pricing for, I would say, the resale pricing for a Shadow 1. But yeah, I'm not mad at this. It's clean. It does remind me of the OG Shadows, but it's not mine, so I'm not going to show you what they look on. You're going to see Angelica's feet and her little reviews for them. So here we go, shift it on to you.
So I'm a 4.5, 4 and 5 sometimes, but 4.5 is my size I go for usually. And it is true to size, very comfortable. I feel like I have a little bit more room at the front, room to move, which is really good. And it hugs me in the right place, if that makes sense. It feels really nice actually. I thought it would hurt my ankles a bit, but it's just in the right placement and really comfortable actually, so really nice.
Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Instagram at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Till next time, peace.